Welcome to m-hance presents the 12 Days of Hintmas with me, Sharon Keegan. On the third day of Hintmas, GP gave to me the ability to send statement to a customer from their actual card. If I go to my sales and my debtor card, I'm now in debtor maintenance. And let's say I was on the phone to Bob Fitz just now, and he said, oh yeah, I didn't send that payment because I haven't received my statement from you yet. I'm very sorry about that, Bob. Let me send it to you now. Now, I can't show you emailing because I'm on a VM that isn't connected to the outside world, but I can print here. So I can print a debtor statement from here, and select the statement ID, and it will print the most recent statement that you had done for Bob, or it will email it if you are set up for emailing. And there's Bob's statement, and that goes out to him, and you're on the phone, and did you get that, Bob? And he'll say whether he does or not, and you can have a chat while you wait for him to get the statement, and then you put your payment in. Okay, you can also print a debtor report from in here. Save changes, look at our debtor report, and that just gives you information on the setup. So that's probably not something you'd want to be sending to Bob, and it's not available on email. So you can email out a statement to your customer from within this window if this is where you do your collections, your credit control from. So I hope you get some use from that. And thank you for coming back for our 12 Days of Hintmas. Come back tomorrow for more.